Hello student, today we will do question number 2 from exercise 4.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So for roots to be equal, discriminant should be 0. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac should be 0. So here we will put b is k square, b is k square minus 4, a is 2 into c is 3 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. So k is equal to square root plus minus. If we will take out the square root, then this will be the answer. Now question number 2. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. If we will multiply this, this will be kx square minus 2kx plus 6. Kx square 2kx. Now we will find d discriminant. So this b is minus 2k square b square minus 4 into k into c 6. This should be 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. It will take 4 we will divide by 4, then it will be k square minus 6k is equal to 0. If we take common k, then k minus 6 is equal to 0. So this will be k value will be either 0 and 6. So k cannot be 0. If it will be rejected, because if you will put k value 0 here, the whole will be 0. So 6 will be 0. This is not possible. So this value is rejected. So k value is here 6. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.